trading outcomes. This is the front end of my project, and the server is already running, and my front end is running on my browser. Here's the TradingView integrated full chart, and here the user have option to select indicators and their actions up to 3, and then here user have option to sell any margin once they reach any amount of profit, or they can add any margin in any level of loss. After select these, user have to click place order button. Since I don't have permission to access TradingView technical data like RSI, Bollinger Band, and moving averages, I got the data of past 100 days using Alpha Vantage API, and then within that Alpha Vantage data, that automated trading algorithm work, and once the user selected parameters are matched, the order will be placed here, and some relevant data also will be displayed. And I will show a demo, and I will select Bollinger Bands and RSI, relative strength index here, and then can see the data has the selected indicators has added to the chart, and then I'm going to select those added indicators from here. I have added RSI, and I will set the RSI action as above 70, and I will select Bollinger Band, and I will select the action as reach top, and I want to sell 20% of the order when I reach 50% of margin. Likewise, can add more here, and if it's going to lose, I want to buy if it reach 50% loss, I want to add 5% from my wallet, and then I'm going to place the order, and the order has placed, and the price and those levels are showing here. In the backend code, this application is configured with CORS middleware to enable requests from web clients hosted on different domains, addressing web security policies that restrict cross-margin HTTP requests. JSON parsing middleware is also integrated to effectively handle and parse JSON formatted request bodies, facilitating the server's ability to interpret the data it receives. The core functionality revolves around the fetch financial data assertions function, which constructs URLs to request data from Alpha Vantage for specified financial metrics. It makes simulations calls to the API for efficiency, gathering data for RSI, Bollinger Bands, stock prices, and moving averages. This data is then filtered to focus on the most recent 7 days using movement.js to compare dates and retain relevant data points. Further, the application contains helper functions to analyze the fetched data according to various financial analysis techniques. These includes identifying specific dates where stock prices are significantly above or below the SMA line, and determine whether stock prices fall within specified criteria related to RSI values or an Bollinger Band ranges. The server exposes two main endpoints for data retrieval and analysis. The GET endpoint allows users to request financial data analysis based on query parameters, while post endpoint accepts JSON bodies within criteria for more detailed analysis, including optional SMA analysis. The server listens on a specific port ready to handle incoming requests and provide processed financial data in response. This JavaScript snippet is designed to run in a web browser environment, interacting with the user interface to capture financial indicator selections, and these choices to sends to a server for analysis and display the results. It is structured around event-driven programming, common in web applications for responsive user interactions. Upon the document content being fully loaded, an initialization function sets up the application. It begins by declaring a couple of key variables, user selections, to store the user's choices regarding financial indicators and actions, and fetch data array is to hold the fetch data from server. And the core functionality is encapsulated with two several functions. Additionally, two-click event listeners are attached to place order button. The first one triggers the analysis process, logging the user selections, preparing the request data, sending it to the server, and updating the UI with any returns analysis. The second listener ensures that the area of the web page intended to display order details becomes visible upon clicking on the place order button. And this chapter is about evaluation and future works. For evaluation, the evaluation of existing automated trading platforms reveals several notable shortcomings that hinder their effectiveness and user satisfaction. Firstly, these platforms often lack comprehensive options for users to define and customize their trading strategies based on various indicators and personal preferences. Traders may feel constrained by limited flexibility in strategy development, resulting in suboptimal trading outcomes. Secondly, while some platforms offer features for setting take profit and stop levels, these options are typically only available after a trade has been executed. This limitation poses challenges for proactive risk management and optimizing of trading outcomes. Additionally, many existing platforms lack features for partial profit booking or margin management, leaving traders to able to effectively manage their positions and mitigate risk in dynamic market conditions. These gaps functionality highlight the need for a more robust and user-centric automated trading solution that addresses traders' diverse needs and preferences. And for future work, moving forward, for the future work in the field of automated trading should focus on addressing the identified shortcomings and enhancing the capabilities of existing platforms. Firstly, efforts should be directed towards developing a more comprehensive and customizable and more accurate platform that empowers users to define their tailor their trading strategies based on a wide range of advanced indicators and personal preferences. This may involve further research into advanced indicator integration and strategy development methodologies. Secondly, advancements are needed to enable pre-trade configuration options for setting take profit and stop loss levels before executing a trade, thereby improving risk management practices and optimizing trading outcomes. Finally, Future work should explore mechanisms for enabling partial profit booking and margin management within an automated trading framework, providing traders with tools to manage profits and losses incrementally and enhance adaptability dynamic market conditions. By addressing these areas of improvement, future automated trading platforms can better meet the needs of expectations of traders, leading to improve user satisfaction and trading performance.